Have you ever just stopped and wondered, how did it all begin? Not just our planet, but, well, everything. Today, we're diving into a creation story from ancient Hindu wisdom that's, well, it's just as poetic as it is profound. So let's journey back, way back. Okay, so picture this, a vast, silent emptiness, a state of being that was here long before the first second ever ticked by. I mean, we're talking before time even had a name. And it wasn't just time that was missing. It was a reality with no up or down, no here or there, just this boundless, formless potential. And get this, before even light knew how to shine, even in that absolute nothingness, the seeds of everything we know were already there, just waiting. This is the story of that very first moment. And you're definitely going to want to stick around for the whole journey, because the final step, well, that's where the entire cosmic cycle comes together. And you might be surprised how it connects to everything, including you. All right, first stop, the divine intention. So where does the universe even begin? You might be thinking of a big bang, right? But in this story, it's not with a bang. It starts with a thought. So in the very, very beginning, there was only this concept called Parabrahman. Now, don't think of it as a person or a god in the usual sense. It's more like a state of pure, limitless potential. Imagine all the rules of reality, all the possibilities, held in a single silent point of sheer will. No sound, no matter, nothing physical, just pure, unblinking consciousness. And this idea is captured perfectly in this quote. Creation does not start with action, it starts with intention. I mean, that really hits it home, right? Before a single atom ever existed, the entire universe was first imagined. A divine intention was set, this deep desire for existence to just blossom. Okay, so we have the intention. But how do you get from pure thought to, well, stuff? How does that first spark of energy happen? Let's find out. From that silent, powerful will, the very first vibration emerged. And that vibration is Om. Now, Om isn't just a sound you might hear in a yoga class. In this tradition, it is the sound of creation itself. It's like the cosmic heartbeat that finally stirred that ancient nothingness and set literally everything into motion. And that incredible vibration, that primordial sound, gave rise to something called Tattva. You can think of it as the cosmic substance, the very first stuff from which the fabric of reality would be woven. And from this primordial substance, three fundamental forces, or gunas, emerged. As you can see, we've got sattva, which is all about balance and harmony. Then there's rajas, the energy of action, movement, and change. And finally, tamas, which is the pole of stillness, of inertia. These three forces are in this constant cosmic dance, and it's their interplay that shapes everything, and I mean everything, in our universe. All right, so we've got the forces. Now let's see how they actually built the thing. This is the cosmic architecture. So as these gunas, action, stillness, and balance, interacted, they gave birth to the five great elements, what's known as the Pancha Tattva. You know them: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Seriously, everything you can see, touch, or even think about is some combination of these five fundamental ingredients. And then, from these primordial cosmic waters, a divine being arose, Narayana, who is a form of Lord Vishnu. His role? He represents the principle of preservation. Picture him, just floating on this infinite ocean, holding the brand new universe in a state of perfect balance and order. He's the cosmic stabilizer, if you will. With that stability in place, we get the Brahmanda, the golden cosmic egg. Now, obviously, we're not talking about a literal egg here. It's this beautiful metaphor for a vessel that contains all of potential reality. Every galaxy, every star, every single world, all coiled up inside, just waiting for the signal to be born. So, how does all that potential actually become reality? Well, from Vishnu's navel, a lotus flower bloomed, and out of this incredible lotus emerged Brahma, the divine architect. With his four faces looking out in all directions, he was ready. It was his job to take everything inside that cosmic egg and shape it into the universe we know. Okay, the structure's there. The raw materials are ready. The architect is on site. But there's one final, absolutely crucial element needed to complete this cosmic construction project. So Brahma's final act of creation was to reveal the four Vedas. And these weren't just some holy books. You have to think of them as the blueprints for reality itself. They were the source of cosmic law, divine knowledge, the user's manual for the universe, basically. They would govern this new creation. And with that, the act of creation was finally complete. Okay, remember what I said at the very beginning, that you'd want to stick around for this? Here's the big reveal. Creation, in this worldview, isn't a one-time thing that just happened and was over. No way. It's an eternal, cosmic rhythm. It's a cycle of creation by Brahma, preservation by Vishnu, and then, eventually, dissolution by Shiva, only for the whole thing to begin all over again. And this is why it all matters to you and me. This grand cosmic cycle isn't just happening out there among the stars, it's happening inside us too. We are all part of this incredible, endless journey of birth, of existence, of transformation, and of rebirth. So, what's the big takeaway from this incredible ancient story? It's this profound idea that our universe didn't just pop into existence from some random, chaotic accident. It suggests it was born from intention, from a vibration, and ultimately from consciousness itself. That's definitely something to think about next time you look up at the stars.